In this tutorial, we're going to show you exactly how you can create a flat world here within Minecraft Bedrock Edition. This is going to be perfect for creative builds and redstone testing. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for even more Minecraft tutorials just like this. It really does help out the channel and it'd mean a lot to us. First things first, get loaded into Minecraft Bedrock Edition, and from this main menu, go ahead and hit play. Simply hit create new world here and then hit create new world again. And then in this little section right here on the left side, scroll down until you find the advanced option. In this section, you'll see the option for flat world. Go ahead and toggle that on. You'll have a few different settings that you're able to customize here. For example, we're just going to go with this classic flat, but you can also do like Tunneler's Dream, Water World, which is pretty cool, Overworld, which is like also very similar. It's just pretty much the exact same thing as classic flat. But there's also Snowy Kingdom, Bottomless Pit, Desert, which is awesome as well as Redstone Ready. You can also customize it however you'd like, which is pretty cool. There's also all these other settings that you can adjust if you would want. But what I recommend doing also is going back to the general section and just turning on creative, just because that does make the most sense for creative building, which is what a lot of people are creating these flat worlds for. Once you're ready, go ahead and hit create and then hit create anyway if that one thing is prompted. But that's it. You'll spawn in a perfectly flat biome. This is going to be perfect for building anything that you could possibly imagine. But it really is as simple as that. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more tutorials just like this. Have a great day.